Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am cooking chicken lollipop. First, take chicken lollipop, add salt to taste, namak, 1 teaspoon chili powder, a pinch of turmeric, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and now mix this all. After 10 minutes of marination, add a lemon and maida flour, a little bit of coriander, and mix this well. Oil get heated. Now take a fork, add oil and fry this lollipop. Deep fry it. Fried all the lollipops. Yes, a little bit of oil. Later, in this, add nearly a tablespoon of tomato sauce. Yeah, and little bit of water. Just cook perfectly. Stir it for a minute so that it stirs perfectly. Now, after we get little fried, I'm gonna add my lollipops. Hold this and toss it. You can toss or else you can mix it with a spoon. Let's give let everything get mixed. Cook it on a low flame for a minute so that the lollipop absorb the tomato sauce. Transfer it in a plate and garnish it with a little bit of coriander. You can serve this with a tomato sauce or a mayonnaise. Voila! Yummy chicken lollipop.